meghalayapost.news.
Kalong shisha kasngi kebakemen Iaka Raitong Govt Lower Primary School hakaba menta kasngi Myntri Katrat Puliputhi urakam isangma ula Kular sendan ban ai ke school building hak jingle chim benta ban Rakhe Iaka Platinum Jubilee ba ketika school kala kenjo syaka jingyat linti ka ba nyop san sinem nadu bela sengnya ka house sinem khat khandai spa sap khandai na ka benta ban kentiu Iaka jingnang jikstart ki khna hak ketika thain Raitong Hariboy district Hagani kasi Myntri Katrat Puliputhi urakam isangma nalar ke jingkular ban ai ke school building Iaka Raitong Govt LP School la Kularu ban high school building sakin riutli ki pat ki school Hamauti constituency berkumju ru baka sarkar jela kan sepen bhalut ya barok ki school sarkar ki badan haga jela naga benta ban kintiu ya jingnang dikstan ki balong kat kum kejuk ba menta hagani kasi bala shi menta du Myntri Katrat Puliputhi urakam isangma la dan kalang ru u MLA ke Mauti ba Charles Mangar kum sembut kongsan ka additional deputy commissioner garibhoi ke kong Brenda L. Pakentain ki officer nak Katrat Puliputhi garibhoi ki rangba shnong ki kime kikpa ki nohing bat ki khna school la penfu penpiang ru hagani gesngi de jing ruai ki jing shat ba jing lekai ba pher na ki khna school ban pelong ya kani gesngi rakhi nyop san snem ke school bakan long ke ba pho ba phing bat ke bansa jingkan mau pateng la pateng halo ke jingdon kani ke school ke ba yang ban ai jingnang jing start iki hybrid hagani ke than
They have bring kini kisang bagi kena kimpat donye ki uniform bat kidang wan de ki jang thong yim haga jingdut pat jingkerdu kim kot por panthi ikitiar tho de kumta kinong hikai ki ju hikai da ki riu hadam bantho ya ki dak abike
dan kam jong phi barok Dengar dia dia ngakwa bencu pentip yuping ala don hak service minta hak sausnyam ngarung wan nak school shnong dong alek school nong ba hasilong tang ba ka de school shnong hi hak porjong ngawan nak school sinot higher secondary hak porjong jonga ta kadang di tangga high school tinga kwa ban ai min CMP barok ki kena school ba pimdi ban dan ta kajing sngo ba kani ka de school shnong kan dong na mangi ro imi na ki school shnong bat ni la ban poi he kini ki kadam di kumcu nganget scam ba pir pinla ba pinya bot nuk salang pinya pet nang yang aku ka men jong pi ki kena school la da ngala pir pinla
ja ka snong Raitong ka snong bala rimtam nyo persan tli ki snam tang ni ka school na history ni school ba kala yan kalau tiga berjerang ba kam desho ban sakut tang ha ka government LP school kala dei ka por ban upgrade siya ka upper primary lani upgradation to secondary hadu higher secondary ngadan gajing po snew ha gajing long nong yalam bangan le ie nam taka constituency map yang nga kam dei por bangan kran tang bangan haban kran kumunong yalam nga haban ya chibun gijing lada wacha semarnga sakran Lada wachal semangar umsat untuk dalile kemauhati konstruksi kenompernai. So kemen menithu ipi ngadan baka sarkar mentakar benar. Ngalala banora kumba apusan kurori apok konstruksi. Kamlong ke besok. Dei halor kita ki gejing sadin jangka konstruksi. Kebab perlong yang ngabang haban shimnya karai. Kumpukpa. Banghap don hangno ke cakar bebiantam bangan syakri nakam tak konsensi ngadon kam ke jingkersan ke jongpi ubachal sumat fong gano ke uniform ndai ke badan kam golong bepin kersan yo bong yo ban tep gol tangkata kecela ke jongi kadon hapedeng ke jingele kam tam ban kentiu ni school ke jongi ngadon kam ni gejing kesab gejong pi bangunang la banle khamah banwan ra ya ka development na ka benta ka konsensi kam tame nam ta school akum kani ke sngi gejing rakhe gejong pi ya ka platinum jubilee na ka liang gejonga nga ai gejing khublei ke bakrpa shapi ka school baro kowe nga ai gejing khublei ke pang ya ka managing committee nga ai ke jing khublei ke bakrpang ya ke snong Raitong barok ko tang ko wai ke ma kwa banong ban makwa ban buru ike jingkeli ile sa din I sa ke dik jingkeli ke jingkeli ke makwa ban keli hapi ki kemai ki pa chnong Raitong mentagasngi ile banang sa din I balik kadau ke banengko kalau namar pengihun ban suong baik ite betuk ite bebi kat banang kita gentin ba ong hitum tate la no nginam ki berat no ikata Raitong mentagasngi haga jarut mentagasngi kabaar ketul kemensim ya trailang ekam hai mengaw MLA ka Skul managing committee baga chnong borok kowe hab irin ti imta lada ga jingi teli ga dan ngen ni pengel Raitong kan sekolah tadi ke baar kabalai kabal kwa ban ong hapim tagasni kamtami kena Skul bat ye pi baro Ilir kuri namaru bru belanang lastar belaku diteng kelat ur chnong egi chnong hari boy I ge bontam ge banang bastar tang badala nang lastar ki keren lupa ngai kini acha ki kijak na chnong ke ai mo kwa nong ye phiki khna ge beren la shaile sngi pilong officer pilong he pilong han pidon hang no nor wa juklat ikshno uba chans marngar hasnong nong chri unum klat ke Skul LP hanong jering ngalong presiden mentang ketua Skul balang persbitrian ngalong chairman ke Skul ketua bajop ke Super Cup Championship kum kinong yalam ngim deban kelat ngakwa ban ong ye phi kinong Raitong ro dan le sena peden jong phi hang ni kibla nang lasta pla don gijing pule pla don sapa wat kelat ikachnong jupi ma yo kelat
government schools, college, higher secondary, upper primary, and the government LP schools will be constructed. New building will be renovated, will be repaired. This is a decision of the government. Therefore, it's my request to the DSO, district officials, please get corrected. All the datas, all information, the respective schools, which schools need a new building, which schools need a repairing and renovation. I think today you have submitted one memorandum about this building. Without looking at I have already gone through, but to me, I want to assure you that this Raitong Government LP School will receive a sanction for new construction of the new government school building in next few months, which will be having a 6 to 7 rooms additional. And not only this school, many 4, 5, 6, 7 new buildings will be constructed under our honorable MLA's constituency. But not only this, for the entire district, it's my request to the DSO. There are many schools which have been properly monitored. Data has not been corrected. Therefore, just get the data correct so that which schools will be needing new, which need some intervention here and there. There's some school which needs only the furniture. There's some school which only the change of roof. Some school needs a small repairing. Some school need a completely new. So therefore, under mission education, government of Meghalaya is planning to completely transform the government institutions first. And we understand the shortage of the teachers that we are looking at. And also, from the government, we will proceed to the deficit and even to the ad hoc and some private. Therefore, today we have seen, and today let me thank the finalists, the founding father, those who open up this school. We know, we understand that running such a school, it's not an easy task. But you have took journey for long. And therefore, as a government, we are all with you. And it's my prayer. It's my prayer, nothing else. Nothing else. This is my small request to all of you. We talk a different story, but that doesn't matter. But the future of our community, but the future of our children is very, very, very important.
meghalayapost.news